So we have started doing this from last 1 year, that entire tech thing in our business, in the offline business. But yeah, it's helping us. It has started giving us some good results, which I think will help us in scaling when we're like in the next couple of years. Right now, basically, we are like technology is helping us to keep the hygienes in place.
Yeah. So basically, FMCG works like you have a warehouse, there's a distributor, retailer, and then the final consumer, and there's the distributor, sub-distributor, or a big chain. So actually, the product is reaching to the consumer or not, or how many times is it going to that consumer? That's the biggest challenge that we are facing, because I've sold 100 pieces, whether it's reached to the consumer 1 piece, 2 piece, or it's just lost in the chain. So that is the biggest challenge that we faced, and that's what we are working on. Because until you didn't know where your product is selling, you don't plan anything. This is one of the major challenges that we face. Plus your team efficiency. This is the second challenge that we faced. How many times that guy is going to the stores, whether that store is being ever catered or not, whether that area has how many stores and how many we are covering. So these are the challenges. As I said, India is very, very diversified. You actually don't know what's happening on the ground if you don't have that things coming up from the ground.
So there Bizom came into play, that which all stocks you are selling in the market, so you can have a check in that, because we as a very young company, we keep experimenting with our products.
And there's a Bizom place, so we know okay, these are the outlets where these kind of a product sells because of the. How do we know it? Because there is a repeat purchase of those products started coming up. So we know, okay, you have to go to this outlet and you have to sell these products only because the demand of these products only. And similarly for other markets. So it helps us. So now we know, okay, these are the areas, these are the markets where these kind of a product sells, and we have to plan our marketing strategy and everything related to those things.
One main point was when we started the offline, so we were very receptive that how the market will behave. So we wanted it to be extremely controlled. So if you see in the first couple of years, we did it very lesser number of stores in that point, in that say. And there Bizom helped us, so that because we wanted to have a direct control over the selection of the outlets, and sometimes it's not possible to physically visit each and every one of them. So there Bizom helped us, so that we can have we were able to see that which outlets they are opening, because for us each and every outlet was important, because we wanted to understand that how our products, how our category will behave in offline. So now we are more or less confident of a particular system or a structure which we have built in the last couple of years. And now when we wanted to when we'll plan to scale it up, we know how to scale it up. So these are the set of outlets, this is how you should do that, these are the set of product mix.
Okay, when I talk about particularly Bizom, it actually helped me to go into the details which I was not getting earlier. So the things which give me a lot of insights. Okay, so probably my perception for few things were totally different before seeing that things that coming up through Bizom.
Yeah, I think more or less same, detail and hygiene. So Bizom helps us to have a hygiene in the system, and it also gives us a insightful detailing, so that the business can be built around that.